Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. Now, as you know, guys, we're trying to do a AG wedding, and today is the interview family. So we're actually in Nairobi. It's cool. This city is like fresh vegetation. In some city, you go like in Delhi and all of those cities. You're gonna stifle because there's no oxygen. But I can say in Kenya, everything, the trees is like a city in forest. It's like a city in the forest family. And the air is fresh, and you're breathing some good astronomy, some good air you're breathing here in Kenya family. So I'd recommend that this city is one of the best cities. Most city you're going like, you know, even you're going like in Kingston City, you know what I mean? It's like most city you go, and when you come home you want to sleep because you wasn't getting enough oxygen. And you're sticky because there's no trees. So you cut right there?
Now, I'm trying to wonder. There's a way you can enter here and
then cross. Yeah.
But I don't know whether you can now.
You can talk to that soldier and what he said.
Let me go and this exit,
Oh yeah, entry right. Yeah, family. So in places like all China and all of this place, you cannot stifle for oxygen, which is nature, which is God. Yeah, family. So as I said to you that in Nairobi, the fresh vegetation is real and nice. You feel like you're in nature, family. So we're gonna try our luck, see if we can pass. Yeah, family. So we just passed through a security booth, and I must recommend and say, family, when you're pregnant in Kenya, you move up to another level. They give you preference. In the supermarket, they have a place for pregnant mother. And most of the world, most places I'll go, I never see that before, family. So, you know, when I was passing, the lady said, they won't check my wife, but they'll check me.
I've not even been checked anything, even my handbag.
Yeah, and most of the time, when you go anywhere, they make you skip the line, family.
Yeah.
So,
even right now, where we were is the other government office.
Yeah, we actually skipped the line. We went to immigration. We actually get a chance to skip the line, family. That's how it is. So this place is called what?
Here we are at KICC right now.
It's at KICC. This is what they do here.
Kenyatta International Convention Center.
So like any convention and any business stuff.
Citizens are getting ready for our president.
Yeah. So we should go this way.
Now there's another security chair.
You have to pass.
Oh, I wonder if you can pass.
Alright, sweet. You know where to go?
Yes.
To get on that side, don't you?
Remember
Sherry house is where?
Sherry house must be this one.
This one right there. You're not wrong. Yeah.
But now I'll have to do my mathematics. I see if I can remember this place well. Remember I was coming here for whatever, what do you call it? Homes Expo.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, with the company I was working with. So we could use this entrance or there behind those cars.
Oh, okay.
You can also sit in this cafe or whatever.
Okay.
But that entrance is for like now government.
Oh, okay. Yeah, family, so let's see if we can get on the other side. But if not, we'd have to go all the way around and come around. If we don't manage. But
we will, because in this cafe there is like an
exit over. Okay. So you just walk through the cafe.
Yeah.
Okay.
They even washrooms if you want to. Yourself.
Alright, family. Let's go. Let's see if we can get on the other side. From through the KRCC building. It's very big and tall. Yeah, family. So we actually finished with immigration at the moment. And now we're actually heading to our next destination, family. So let's go. So like, share, that's the building. It's a tall building, Nyayo house building. Yeah. So we got this side, right?
Yeah, this way.
Yeah.
Like we are going to our parking lot.
Okay, okay.
Then we go down.
Okay. Oh, we got that. We're going back on this side, right?
Yeah.
It's a cross. We're gonna cross, right? Cross. Let's cross. Let's go behind this street. Yeah, family. So we finished with immigration. So we finished with immigration, family. Like, share, and subscribe to the video. Let's come this side, sweetie. Like, share, and comment on the video. We're finished with this vlog. Let's move on. Let's go along. Yeah. So family, we are out. One love, God bless from Nairobi. We are out. Might just call into somebody.
Yeah.
You know, somebody can just actually remember you.
Yeah.
Yeah, somebody can just remember you based on your outfit that you're in. Somebody will remember you and thing. And then, you know what I mean? They remember you. Let us something happen. This is what called.
Most of the time, people don't put it dry. Every time you come here, then you lost your way.
Yeah, family. So we actually at Sherry House. I went to the reception here. We're waiting. Our interview time is like 2. And now it's 1:23. So we have like a half an hour and change to go. So we're just waiting at the moment. Waiting for the interview. Yeah, family. So let's continue watching video. Like, share, and subscribe. Maybe I just drove by this.
Guys, we are still waiting. We are at the H's place. How long have we been seated? From
Came at 2. Supposed to have interview at 2.
Well, we arrived
3:09.
We arrived here at 1. Unfortunately, we were at lunch. So 1 to 2 is lunchtime. And then now it's 3:09. Seems like we'll be here up to 7.
We have a few people before us.
Yeah, we have like 4 or 5 people in front of us. No, I think so. Guys, I'm starving. I thought it's a thing that I just come in, you know?
Yeah, just go through the process we can fast.
Like, And since he has said they open at 8, people, I feel like we should leave the house at 7.
Yeah, we come early. And then maybe we just come back and maybe go to the hospital after that.
No, I cannot go to the hospital.
You can go after that, sweetie.
No, it needs early morning when you've not taken anything.
Or we can go on Saturday then.
Yeah.
Yeah, family. So we actually didn't get to get the interview because Miss Jam Tours maybe misplaced our birth paper or something.
No, I didn't carry them.
We didn't carry it or
And
something.
I didn't know. Because there at the when we were coming, I didn't know like I have to carry anything because I'm assuming I'm a citizen. They have everything in the system.
Yeah.
But they need them.
Yeah, family.
My passport. I didn't even imagine I could carry my passport.
So we have to go and come back, family. So we'll actually, continue with this vlog tomorrow.
Yeah. We were working here on the
red carpet.
Yeah. Actually, I've taken a photo of this one.
So we'll take a photo, yeah.
But that time there were many people like, I don't know this one.
Come, so we'll take a photo. Yeah, family. So we're actually in a restaurant at KICC Cafe Safari. Just gonna get something light. While we go. You have chapati here?
I've seen them here.
Yeah.
You've seen it, the man is eating chapati.
Eh?
The man is eating chapati.
That man. You recall that guy at the restaurant?
Yeah, because it's supposed to be, it's a homemade chapati. 250 for one.
Eh?
250 for one.
Homemade chapati and
Homemade chapati.
you want chapati and tea?
Yeah, just chapati and tea.
I guess I'll take one too.
Yeah.
Yeah, family, so we're back at KICC and Miss Jam Tours is hungry like a dog. We have to go and get something to eat right now. So let's go and grab something small. We have a lot of food at home.
Yeah.
So
Don't waste my food.
Yeah.
Just
get
something light.
Something light.
To hold my tummy.
I will still have to come back tomorrow, so that's another thing again. Come early tomorrow to get this thing over with.
Yeah.
Early. Hey family, so we had a chapati. Thank you. Yeah, family. Well, I guess we can
Although
try.
Tomorrow there are no proceedings, so we can pass them on the other side.
Yeah.
You didn't tell them why we crisscrossed KICC.
Yeah, family. So we actually finished eating a little small bite. That was my first meal of the day, family.
Imagine.
All I had was some watermelon.
Yeah.
And that was my first meal.
The meal I had was what was
You
it?
had?
Brazil nut milk. What else did I bite? I think I bite some of your watermelon a little
Yeah.
And that was it. I thought we are coming to the appointment and pop because we have our appointment.
Yeah, family. So this is KICC. What time is it now?
Around 5.
Around 5. This is what it looks like at 5. Tall building, KICC. Today's Parliament proceedings.
Some 20 minutes to 5.
Yeah. So where we're heading now, family? We're heading to the parking lot to actually head out right now.
The parking lot is all the way there.
Yeah. But normally when you come to
This is
Nairobi,
Supreme Court.
oh, this is the Supreme Court.
All government offices are like
Yeah.
on one what?
On one street.
Yeah.
Yeah, family. So let's go.
Our daddy here.
Yeah, this is the father of Kenya. Jomo Kenyatta. Let's walk and give him a front heel. Let's give the father of Kenya a front heel, family. Front heel. Let's give him a front heel. He's here sitting. Yeah, so the founding father of Jamaica is Marcus Garvey. Founding father of Ghana is Kwame Nkrumah. and family. The founding father of Kenya is Mr. Mose Jomo Kenyatta. You know, when I was growing up in Jamaica, I went to a school called Taki family. And
Taki, like the country?
Taki. T-A-C-K.
Ah.
Yeah, Taki. So, and Taki, that's a maroon name. That's like Nani. I think that's Nani brother. They actually came from Ghana to Jamaica to help free the slave family. So, I went to a school called Taki. And there was this guy in my class called Jomo.
Oh.
We used to play cricket together. There was another guy in my class called Ghana Rule. So it's like everything is now connecting back family. And all of these presidents, founding father of Africa, them actually have some connection with Jamaica. There was a Queen's Council in Jamaica that helped Kenyatta to fight the British system for Kenya to get independence family. So all of these things, every African country have some connection to do with Jamaica family. So you have to understand that Jamaica, actually we free the world and we're back in Africa now family. So, you have to appreciate, anyway you see Jamaica, you have to appreciate. I know that Jamaica, we change the world, and anywhere we go, we break rules and set rules. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. We're gonna go to the parking lot. It's 5. Let's go to the parking lot and drive out of Nairobi City.
Pay our hefty
fine. The parking lot will be, how much you think it is? Let's guess.
Like 5.
We park from when? From
11:58.
11:58. Eh?
Like 12.
From 12. And what time is it now?
5.
5. From 12 to 5 family. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 hours. So we're gonna check and we're gonna see how much the parking will be. You say how much it will be?
Maybe you'll pay like, I'm suspecting.
Like 500? 500?
Maybe like 400.
It's how much an hour? I think it's 100 an hour. The one is a crazy one. I'm trying yeah, family. So walking to. She begin kicking.
Yeah.
What she saying?
Yeah.
What she saying to you?
Let them come and kill us. Let them kill the two of us. You can't see she was coming to me. Do I want to die?
Yeah?
I want to die right now.
Where? Soldier man attack her.
But she doesn't look mad to me. I don't know what's wrong with her.
Well, I guess she just something.
I think we can pass on that side, I think.
Yeah.
What do you think? Or we pass on this side.
Yes, as you can see, family, people coming from work in Nairobi.
Yeah.
We're actually heading to the parking lot.
Yeah.
Well, I really like these cabros.
Yeah, they're so
These
nice.
cabros is very nice.
Yeah.
Like the entire Nairobi should have these cabros.
I know, right? The street on the pathways.
And the
walkways.
pathways, yeah. Yeah, family, so let's go. We might pay a 500, you say 400. Let's see how much you're going to pay for parking. Yeah, family, so we're actually back in the parking lot. And we're about to actually... All this time is
Madam Margaret, I'm telling you.
Today
was really a day.
Really
today.
tired family.
Hey, guys.
So family, this is the parking ticket.
Let's see how much.
Let's see how much you're gonna pay.
How much
and how you pay?
How much my love is paying.
How you pay, you actually scan this thing here.
Yeah. Oh, this is for
Scan
scanning?
it, yeah. You scan it and let's
or
see.
you can
500, 500, 400, 500, 400. Let's see.
You see?
What's it?
You cannot find it. Dial this code. Star 270.
Oh, I guess maybe that scan thing will
Listen,
work. Alright, let's dial the score. Star
270.
270 number sign. I have a ticket number, family. You have to enter the ticket number, so you'll see pay parking. So 1 pay parking. Ticket number 1149 3220, right? Yes, boom, and hit it like that, and wait and wait and wait.
Okay, ticket I did not come.
Okay, so that right it 5. Let's try again. Let me try to scan and see.
Let me open this to get some fresh air.
It's hot.
It's very
But
warm.
this thing normally ever play normally work. Not working. Ever play not working.
No, the scanning is normally for there at Theatre Mall.
270. Pay parking 1.
Oh, you write your number plate?
No, so you don't think. They have number plate there too?
They had said that.
11493 220. Maybe I pressed something. Yeah, family. Ticket still not come up. Ticket number invalid. License plate number. Alright.
That's what I'm saying.
Enter license plate. Enter.
Yeah,
Let me enter license plate. Let's try license plate. Let's see. Yes, it's 450.
Yeah.
But no, we no win because it's actually.
I said
500.
I said 400.
And I said 500.
So at least I'm in the 400.
Yeah, but it's 450. I'm
no
close.
problem. Me and Dan is close. You said 500. You're on 5. I'm on 4, and it's 450. You see?
So it's 450 family for the parking. So family,
anyway, we're all close.
like, share, and comment on the video. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa. Let's pay this ticket and get out of Nairobi City.
Get out of here.
I'm out. Any last words you have to say?
Like, share, comment, subscribe.
Yeah, the battery almost.
We are really tired. We need to get home, take a nice hot shower and rest. Bye. See you on the next one. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow we are back here.
Yeah.
So I guess, yeah.
And we'll just continue.
Bye.